This is one of the most dangerous jobs in the world. They make something from the burning lava taken directly from the volcano. They are mountain guides from Italy who go themselves to bring the lava and take its sample with special tools. While working, the lava splashes out, spreads due to volcanic gas, or it is like risking one's life. Making it is a race against time when the lava is hot and soft. It is shaped and stamped on an iron plate. After cooling down, it becomes solid. What is made from this is a lava ashtray, which is available only here. By the way, its price is more than 100 rupees.